The Messages tab supports more than just SMS. You can also send direct messages to team members, create internal group chats, and even build groups that mix team members with external SMS contacts. Let's open the Messages tab and take a look at the conversation types. Each conversation in the sidebar has a colored badge showing its type. Blue means SMS, which is an external text message. Green means chat, which is a one-on-one direct message with a team member. And purple means group, which can be an internal team chat or a group that includes SMS participants. Let's start with a direct message. Click on a conversation with a green chat badge. Here we have a one-on-one chat with Wyatt Kowalski. Messages look just like SMS, with your messages on the right and theirs on the left, but these stay entirely within your organization. Nothing goes out over the phone network. Now let's look at an internal group chat. Click on the Sales Team Huddle Conversation. This is a group with 4 team members. You can see everyone's messages labeled with their name. The subtitle under the group name shows all the participants. This is great for ongoing team coordination without leaving the portal. Groups can also include external SMS participants. Open the group called My Group with Ronnie SMS. This group has Wyatt as a team member and Ronnie Jackson as an external SMS contact. When you send a message here, team members see it instantly in the portal, and the SMS participant receives it as a text message on their phone. To start a new conversation, click the plus new button at the top of the sidebar. The drop-down gives you 3 options. Chat starts a direct message with a team member. SMS starts an external text conversation. And Group creates a group chat where you can add team members and optionally include SMS contacts. Let's look at creating a group. Click Group from the menu. Enter a group name at the top, then check the boxes next to the team members you want to include. Scroll down and you'll see an SMS participants section where you can optionally add external phone numbers. When you're ready, click Create Group, and your new conversation opens right away. That's internal and group messaging in the Cloudspire Voice portal. Use direct chats for quick one-on-one conversations with team members. Create internal groups for ongoing team coordination and add SMS participants to loop in external contacts. All of it lives right here in the Messages tab.